أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Hello, hi, Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Glamour World signing in once again front of you. Welcome back to the channel viewers. Hope you all are fine. Me, Allah Almighty plus you, prosperity, health and wealth. Amin. Amin. So viewers, right now on your screen, you are watching a very beautiful, glamorous personality, Queen Maxima of the Netherlands. She is the one of the best and amazing lady in front of you. Queen Maxima, born 2000, sorry, Queen Maxima, born on 17 May 2071, is Queen of the Netherlands as the wife of King William Alexander. Argentine by birth, she worked in France when she met William Alexander, eldest son of and her appearance of Queen Beatrix in 1999. They married in 2002 and becoming king and queen on the abdication of her mother-in-law on 13 April 2013. Maxima has promoted social integration of immigrants' rights and financial inclusion. She and William Alexander have three daughters, Princess Catherine, Amalia, Alexia, and Arenia, who her first, second, and third respectively in the line of succession. She grew up in the Recatolab neighborhood of Buenos Aires and studied at Netherlands School at Blegul School of the City of Olivias. She graduated with her degrees economics from the Pontifical Catholic University of Argentina (UCA) in 1995, the private university in governed by a directory of local bishops, including the current popes, financed their attribute of study year financial president over the traditional mass at the beginning of classes. She later completed her study with a master's degree in the United States from 1989 to 1990. While still in college, she worked for Mercado Abedil Electronico CA from 1992 to 1995. She worked in the sales department of Boston Securities CA in Ares, where she conducted research on software for financial marketing. From July 1996 to February 1998, she worked for HSBC, James Capel and C in New York City, where she became vice president of national sales of Latin America from the until in 1999. She was vice president of the emerging marketing division of Dresdner Chemistry. Maxima met William Alexander in April 1992 in Seville, Spain. During the Seville Spain Fair, in a interview, they stated that he introduced himself only as Alexander, so that she did not know he was a princess. She thought she was joking when he later told her that he was the Prince of Orange, and her appearance on to the Dutch throne. According to Arcturus' biography, Maxima Law concentration the Una Reina, she was invited to the Savoy by a friend living in New York who openly said she would introduce her to two European princes. They agreed to meet again 2 weeks later in New York, where Maximo was working for Dexter. Their relationship apparently began in New York. The news of the couple's relationships and eventual marriage plans caused controversy in the Netherlands due to the involvement of Maxima's father George as a cabinet minister during the national recognition process. The most recent arrangement, the Trorism, her father 1979 into 1981 transfer as a minister took place during the later stages of the Dirty War 1974 to 1982, a period representing that saw about 30,000 people. So viewers, thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye.